Hi, I'm Mel from Illamasqua, and today I'm going to show you how to create a warm, smoky eye look. First, apply on a pencil to the top and bottom lash line and blend out. To add a bit of warmth to the eye, I'm going to use Truth in the crease and blend backwards and forwards. Next, we start to build the intensity on the lid by applying Understanding and blending it up to the crease. To add extra intensity to the outer edge of the eye, I'm going to apply Beauty, which is a warm red-brown shade. Finish off by applying some Raven mascara to curled lashes. Next, take Precision Gel Eyeliner in Infinity to define the upper lash line, before applying Honor Eye Pencil in the waterline for extra intensity. For an extra clean look, I like to take a small amount of skin-based concealer pen, blending under the eyes to clean up and keep the entire makeup look fresh. And that's my technique for a classic smoky eye.